he, she and it. He is used for male, she is used for female. It is used for animals and objects. This is Sam, he is a boy. This is Zen, he is eating food. This is Nancy, she is a girl. This is a cow, it has 4 legs. This is Lisa, she is a beautiful girl. This is a table, it is made of wood.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to subscribe for more such fun learning videos.